all, I think so. Good morning, all. Good morning, and respected management, and respected principal sir, and my dear senior and junior faculties who have been gathered here, and the special good morning to Mr. Shivam and second year batches who have been organized very nicely. I didn't expect it. I thought I want to give a virtual room to you because it is a new room. You can able to utilize like that. After that, you have been discussed with Mr. Shivam said, no, they want to something differently they want to do. So really it was wonderful, the decorations and whatever you have been organized. Even the English, I didn't expect it like this. So many, even Ranjana, who is that Suman, Raki, everyone. So I know about Ranjana. Specifically, she will be speaking with in English only, every time. Some this girl also. What's your name? Deepanjali. These two girls, I know a little bit. I don't know her name, but I'm remembering them because every time they will be meeting us and they will be asking something, she will try to speak always Ranjana in English. If it is not coming only, she will utilize English. So that motivation is there. So how we can improve? Like that means this is really from past 1.5 years you are working with us. I think so. After we are joined, you also joined September. So I thought this won't be useful. Some members they will come and they will be only utilizing for their organization like that we thought that. But really it was wonderful. But this time little changes were there. Like role play, like that small. It is small, but even though it was very good. So I think so it will be useful for you. Useful or not useful? Useful. Yeah, it was useful. So it's really I want to thank to Unnati organization also because they are freely giving this. We are not paying to Mr. Shivam or anything to organization also. The free online certificate also they are providing, and it was a very wonderful organization, and they are giving a hands, and this has to be grow more and more and tie up with our organization. So, and as well as for the students who has been motivated and you are being come forward and you are doing something, and some girl she doesn't wrote and came. She herself she spoke her own words. I would say. Yes or no? Whether she marked up or she practiced, I don't know. But I was seeing her face, whether she will see here or not, how she has been said those words. I was thinking that it was really difficult. I know I was not like you in BSc. I don't know one word to